Good morning, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan, and welcome back to the Wealth Management Podcast from MPIinvest.com. So, what's it about wealth management? Wealth management is nothing but diversifying our investments into multiple sectors or asset classes available in the market, such that our investments grow together financially in a great manner. So that's exactly what we do, what we help you do, and of course, that helps us all grow financially together. So, talking about the markets yesterday, the first thing I would like to say is the markets were bullish. So, after the major panic selling that happened day before yesterday, which had no reason to be frank, probably it was just the technical fall because the US also fell because of it was an overheated zone, and from there it is kind of corrected really well, and from there looks like it is consolidating. But then, does that mean this is a reversal? Definitely not. So at this point of time, I'm not expecting the markets to reverse back to a new high. But yes, the markets are going to kind of consolidate for some time, is what I expect at this point of time. And well, the markets today being Friday, so naturally there's a feeling that it is a Santa Claus rally. So for people who don't know, every year during this period, generally there is a small rally seen in the US, and that is generally termed as a Santa Claus rally just before the Christmas. So that's exactly happening. So Christmas is on Monday, and we could see the markets kind of doing well. Yesterday, U.S. markets have closed well in the green. After Indian markets closed well in the green, but then both of these have actually come now slightly lower than the previous high. So at this point of time, the markets are supposed to be trading a similar tight range. Probably we could expect the markets to be trading between 21,000 and the previous high of 21,600. I mean, we just came very close to 21,600. So this could be a range that we could expect until this is broken. 21,000 on the lower side and 21,600 on the higher side. The markets would be kind of a sideways movement, is what I'm expecting at this point of time. This is about the stock market. So simple thing. Like I always say, invest when there's a fall and book profit when it's a rise for a trader. So if you're a trader, you should have bought some good investments day before yesterday when the markets fell. But those who actually sold the day before yesterday in the panic are people who still need experience in the market. So stock markets or especially stock market trading is not for everyone. You really don't have to do a lot of trading just to make money in the market. Just invest right, and you can easily set with great returns. In fact, I'm really proud to say last year our clients who have invested in different AFs that we've selected has actually have gained returns of more than 40% IRR on their investments. That's something amazing. So if you are making about 40% returns on your investment, why should you go and trade? Because the world's best trader is not making more than 45 to 50% a year, right? So that's it about the market. So yes, if you have started the SIP, well and good. If you have not still started, come to us. mpiinvest.com will guide you the right way to invest and also protect your money. So that's about markets. So now what is expected? So tomorrow, of course, Monday is Christmas, and we are expecting the US markets also closed on Monday. So because of sorry, some tech glitch. Yeah, so because of that, the markets would be kind of course range bound, but I am kind of not taking any trades for this week because of personal reasons. I am would be of course busy with my family, and we're having some planning some worship vacations. So with all that, kind of I'll be on a low key for the entire next week. So I'm not sure we'll even have the podcast for the entire week. For next week, probably we will see you after today's podcast. Of course, Sunday podcast is there, the weekly market pulse, and after that probably we will not have the podcast for the entire week ahead, as I'm also planning to do some self regeneration plans so for the next week. So and that's it for now. Let's see how the market goes. We'll discuss more about all that, what happened this week and what could be expected next week on the Sunday market pulse video. But as far as today, we could see most of the stocks actually rising back. Markets overall did well, decently well, and the expiry volatility was not there. And in fact, the best part was the institutions have come back to their regular numbers on trading. So that is something good. And next week, being a Christmas and New Year week, the institutional activity can actually reduce, and that could bring more volatility to the market. So I kind of take thought this would be a great time to take a great break just before the year ends, and wishing you all a great year end vacation as well. So let us catch up with more details on Sunday, and after that, probably the next year. So that's it for now. This is Srikanth Rajan signing off. Until we catch up on Sunday. Goodbye. Have a great day. Great weekend ahead.